guys, welcome back to our new channel BONOSS Wheel Fitment. In this video, we'll install this BONOSS wheel spacers on this new Mercedes G Wagon. First, we need to use a cross wrench to loosen the factory wheel bolt. Now remove all the wheel bolts. Use rust remover to clean the hub. Now place the BONOSS wheel spacers on the hub. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. After installing this BONOSS wheel spacers, we can install this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit. Each set of BONOSS grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure unique of the product. By installing this wheel bolt kit, can protect your value wheels from theft. Use torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolt with 140 Nm. Now we need to remove the jack and jack stand. Install the shell on the wheel bolt. Beautiful, unique, and safe are the attractions of BONOSS shell type bolt kits. There are 8 colors of shells to choose from, bringing different styles of rims. Compared with other products, BONOSS shell bolt kits adopts anodized surface treatment, which has strong anti-rust ability and durable shell color. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten the shell with only 5 Nm to 10 Nm. Now we finish. If you want to get this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt and this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.